Hi, my name's Alan from ABL Driving, and today we're going to talk about the emergency stop. Now with the emergency stop, we are stopping in emergency conditions, if you like. So I like to make an example of, imagine a child running out in front of the vehicle and you need to stop very quickly to save that child's life. Okay, so a couple of things we need to do. One of the things is we do not need to check the mirrors, because if there is a vehicle behind us and they're quite close, then that's their own fault. We need to save the child's life. So there's no mirror checks on this manoeuvre. Another thing that we need to do is grip the wheel nice and firmly in our 10 to 2 or quarter to 3 position. And with the brake, what we want to do is imagine like a sponge, and you want to squeeze the water out of that sponge. That's how we want to apply it on the brakes. So we want to be quite prompt, but we also want to squeeze that water out of that sponge. Imagine that, imagine a squeezing motion on the brake, and then at the last moment we dip the clutch to keep the car from stalling. Once we've stopped, we apply the handbrake and we put the car into neutral, and then we can relax our feet and obviously deal with the situation that's happened. Okay, so we're just going to carry out the emergency stop procedure. So I'm just going to move away, just checking the mirrors, make sure it's safe. And we're going to get up to about 20 to 30 miles per hour on this. Okay, so we've just completed the emergency stop and now we're waiting to move away again. So the first thing we want to do is select first gear. Then we want to do a 360 observation, because remember, when we've done the emergency stop, we're actually in the middle of the road, or our normal driving position, a metre from the curb. So we need to check the left hand side and the right hand side before moving off. So I'm just going to do that now. Yeah, and it's clear to proceed off there. And then we can carry on as per normal.